Hello friends, in this video we are going to see creation of sales order in QuickBooks accounting software and creation of invoice. Okay, and at the same time, for example, if you are making purchase order, we don't have a proper quantity or a purchase ordered quantity. Okay, so we are not able to supply that much of quantity, so immediately we can create a new purchase order from sales order. That will also we will see in this video. Okay, it is let's see the sales order. Here is the information from home page. The following information is displayed. Okay, move this one, make it large. Here you can see in customer, here it is given sale order and estimates and create invoices. Okay, accept cards, create sales receipts and receive payments, receipts and payment, then create sales receipt, then record deposits in a bank. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to create sales order. After receiving purchase order from customer, we have to prepare a sale order, and this sale order we have to send to the customer. Okay, okay, now and another way, here the customer. Okay, another way, from where we can start our sales order. Okay, here customer center, click the customer center. Okay, click the sale order fulfillment, create sale order. Okay, here a create invoice, shortcut control I. Okay, here first let's create the sales order. Okay, and this is the new window of sale order. Okay, as a new sale order, okay, we can create, save, delete, create a copy, memorize, print, email, print later, email later, attach file. From here is the main important options. Okay, these are the main important options. Okay, create invoice. From here sale order we can create the invoice, create purchase order. From this sale order, okay, we can create also a new purchase order from here. Okay, let's start the creation of sale order. Here is the sale order, customer. Okay, create. Okay, this is a XYZ order, our customers. Select X and company. Okay, the following right side, the customer information and its limitation is 5,000 only, and transaction is okay. These are the transaction, no transaction, there is no summary because the first time we are going to prepare. Okay, class means from where we will send this. Okay, they will send this, finish Godam. Okay, these are the department. Okay, so assembling Dogan also or finish Godam also we can send. We don't have, okay, as soon as so far we don't keep anything in assembling or forwarding or warehouse. Okay, so we can add finish Godan also. Okay, otherwise no need to. If you don't want to select, you can no need to select. Okay, here is a custom sale order. Okay, templates means we can choose. We can choose anything, custom sale order, into sale order packing slip, into sale order packing list, or sale order with representative, standard, work under or work under. So select custom sales order only. Here we can prepare a sale order. Okay, for example, I am preparing a sale order for the next month, November 4th. Okay, this is a sale order, serial number. Okay, shift to, we don't have any shift. Okay, shift to also we can add, no problem. This is the address of Mr. X. Okay, shift to also we can add. This is the purchase order number. We have to write the purchase order number 565655. Okay, from here we can create the sale order. Okay, from also here also we can create the sale orders, warehouse presently. Okay, here is the items. Okay, presently what are the items? If we remove this one also, doesn't matter. Here these are the following items. Okay, so select P3. Presently we have in raw materials only, we didn't made any finish as soon as so possible. Okay, so that's why I'm selecting warehouse department here. Now let's select here. You can see the following items we have. First select CPU. Okay, CPU is how many quantity? It wants 20 quantity are okay, for example 30 quantity is required. Okay, and the rate, let's see the CPU here, the information. If you click this information, okay, see we have 30 ordered. Okay, these are the information of CPU. Before accepting order, we should have to see whether we have the CPU, we have the inventory in okay, we have the quantity in inventory or not. Let's check the inventory from here. Okay, let's check the inventory from here. Okay, click this one, so it will lead you to another window, that is raw material CPU. Okay, 100 quantity we have, so close this one. We can provide more than 30 also, and for example 50. Okay, and what is the cost? Cost is 120 it was, so now take the cost, for example 200 is the cost. Okay, do you know the QuickBooks can help you to set custom price for different customers? Means it's a price, it's showing a custom price, means price list, going to list them with a price level list. Okay, we will see in price level say in different video, so we are not giving any price. If we can select the price level also here. Okay, how much? 10,000. Its limit is only 5,000, so we can increase the limit also by creating this editing. Okay, by editing, make it extra, make it 50,000 limit. Okay, okay, now we can see 50,000 is the limit. Okay, CPU, let's sell another keyboard. Okay, keyboard, here how many we have left. From here we can check whether the keyboard, how many keyboard we have in inventory. Click this one. Okay, raw material keyboard, 45 keyboards we have still in our inventory. Let's sell 30 inventory, accept the 30 inventory. Okay, the keyboard value it was 50, now take 70 sale value. Okay, it's 2100. Now another product, add mouse also. Okay, mouse, how much? See here we have 48 mouse. Okay, so from here select 20. Okay, and the rate price is 50. Okay, so overall 13,100. Okay, if so, if you are in issuing this much, okay, for example if you are issuing this much also, so what we have to do, we can create a purchase order from here. Okay, because keyboard we are losing, how many keyboard we can check. Presently the following keyboards are 45, so 30 is immediately we are eliminating, we are delivering 30. Here is 20 we are delivering. At a time we can create the purchase order also. Create purchase order, your company email address is missing or incorrect, please correct this email. Okay, we will later do it later. Okay, create a purchase order, your company email address is missing or incorrect, please correct this email address in company information. or uncheck the email later. Okay, or by default the email is checked, that's why. Okay, create a purchase order. From here it will show another window, create purchase order based on the sale transaction. Based on the sale transaction, so first option, create purchase order for all allowed item. So how many item we are issuing, so the same purchase order we can make purchase, or create a purchase order for a selected item. Selected item means only for keyboard. Keyboard is selected here. So now let's create for all item. Okay, so now it's the purchase order window is open. Let's see here the purchase order. Okay, here is the vendor. Okay, select the vendor whom we are taking. We are taking from A. Okay, now warehouse, definitely ship to, we want only to warehouse, so custom purchase order here only. Okay, date, so purchase order means date should be more, for example for 6. Okay, this is the vendor address, this is our address. Purchase order number second. Okay, ship to, we don't have any stores, main stores. Okay, and small store, side store, anything. Okay, these are the three. Now we can order 50 this much, and this much also 50, and this much also 50 we can order. Okay, see how much we have. We have only 28, so we can order 6 more 50. Okay, here if any message for vendor, you can enter the message vendor supply as soon as possible, like supply as description is given or provided in a purchase order, like. Okay, so here this is the quantity. Okay, rates also can be entered for CPU. Okay, for CPU take 120. Okay, and for keyboard we don't want. Here another window is shown. Here raw material for CPU, item cost change. For example, right now it is the US software, so it has dollar. So you want a current cost or new cost. Okay, we don't want a new cost, so that's why no option is there. So select OK. Now for here, what you have to do, keyboard $50. Okay, now it's again is asking for new cost, we don't want. Okay, motherboard, we have taken 200 for earlier, same rate. After entering again it will ask you. Okay, the overall is 18,500. Okay, it went to another purchase order, back to second purchase order second. From here you can go to next purchase order. Look, here it is given purchase order third, so back for purchase order second. Okay, it's 18,500. Okay, open balance is totally nil, credit limit is 20,000. Okay, now save this purchase order, or else you can see the print view option also, preview option. Okay, here see the preview option. Okay, see the preview option. This is the International Private Limited. Okay, international, this is our address, purchase order number, date, purchase order number, the date also given, order number second, this is vendor, and ship to in our godown. This is the item, this is the description, quantity, unit of measure, rate, and amount. Okay, here you can see total 18,500. Okay, close this one. Now see purchase order, batch, shipping label, envelope, print as PDF, save as PDF also. Okay, so save and close. Okay, now it is in, we are in sale order. Okay, so sales order, immediately we can create invoice for this also. create an invoice. Let's create for invoice for some of the items. Okay, from here create invoice for all the sale order. All the sale order means all the three items, or create invoice for selected item. Selected item means only one of the item is selected, means for example keyboard is selected, so it will prepare for keyboard only. So we want for all item means for all item. Okay. Okay, now another window will be open. Look, the invoice window is open. Okay, with this sale order we are also issuing invoice. Okay, see, to home customer is X company. From class means department, warehouse department, template custom invoice, say custom sale order invoice. Okay, date 6. At the time immediately we are issuing this. Okay, sale order number, purchase order number 55, terms 15 days. Within the 15 days the customer has to pay. The raw material, these are the three items. Ordered these items. Okay, previous invoice back ordered, no. Invoice is 50, so first we are making invoice for only 30 item. Okay, and this is for only 20 item. Okay, this is for only 5 item we are preparing invoice. Okay, so only we are 7650 is only invoice we are preparing for customer. Okay, another invoice we will send later. Okay, it is possible. Here customer message, if you want a message like all work is complete, like it's been a pleasure working with you, please remit the above address. Thank you for your business, we appreciate your prompt payment. Okay, so presently what is it been a pleasure working with you. Okay, we can select this one also. Now here's what are the limitation is also given here. Okay, 50,000 can be issued. We can issue 50,000 till 50,000. Okay, it's a credit limit. Presently first transaction is 13,100. So now you can print, see the preview. Here is the preview. Okay, if you want to check the spelling check will also given by the QuickBook. So if you want to check, you can check. Okay, you can replace, no problem. Okay, now let's see the print view. Here is the print view. International, this is the company name. Bill to Mr. X, customer name. Ship to is not given. Where if customer means descript is customer advise us to ship somewhere with this place, so we can ship at that place. Okay, this is the invoice, first invoice we are preparing. Sale order number 1, purchase order number 555, terms 15 days. Okay, this is the quantity order, and this is the back. 20 still we have to send. Here 10 still we have to send, and here 15 we have to send. Invoice presently this much of invoice we have now presently did. Okay, this much again we have to do invoice later. This is the rate, this is the total amount. Here total values given, payment and credit rate, it didn't happen, so total overall balance has to pay. Here is the message appeared, is being a pleasure working with you. Okay, so now close it, save the purchase order invoice. Okay, now invoice and per sales order also saved. Now let's the remaining actually we have to invoice remaining quantities also. Okay, so create invoice also option is also there. Okay, estimate means from here you can also estimate. Okay, we have to do create invoice option is here. Okay, this is the create invoice option. What we have to do, we have to select X company. The message will automatically display that available sale order is open right now. Select one or more sale order to invoice. We have only one sale order for this, so we have selected this one. Open this. Okay, wait a minute, I think it's not selected, so by default. Okay, now see here, select the X customer X. Now it will prompt us Okay, now it's selected. Look, it shows selected. Open now. Okay, another window came. Create invoice based on sale order. Yes, specify what to include on the invoice. Create invoice for all of the sale order. Yes, or create invoice for selected items. We want all of the, so click OK. Now all three of the item will be shown here. Okay, so here remaining how much we have to invoice. Remaining invoice is 20, and here is 10, and here is 15. So now the remaining is 5450. Okay, this much we have to invoice. We can message here, we appreciate a prompt payment, thank you for your business, please remit the above address, all work is complete. Now all work is complete. Okay, so all work is complete means we didn't receive any, that's why. So in place of this, we appreciate your prompt payment means as soon as payment. Okay, so save this one. Later means change the date. Change the date means like yet. Okay, after 2 days. Save. Now again it will giving for spelling check, so you can replace, no problem. Okay, here. Okay, here is the, now let's see in a reports. Okay, company, customer receivable and payables, sales. Okay, job and time mileage, vendor receivable, vendors and payables. Okay, this is the purchase, this is the inventory. Okay, let's see inventory valuation. Okay, select here, no problem, any date. Now let's see the inventory valuation. 50 is remaining CPU, keyboard only 15, motherboard is only 28. Okay, overall 93. Here we don't have any, that's why I'm not taking from here finished product. Okay, now close this one. You want to save this report? No, I don't want presently to save this report. And see, after inventory, let's see accounting in a trial balance. Select the address from the trial balance till December or November also, no problem, any date. Here it's shown that account receivable, how much we have to receive, because we have delivered 13,100, we have to receive here. Okay, inventory asset is 9,350. Okay, accounts payable is 650. Inventory offset account is there, also there. Opening balance equity also 2 lakh. Sales 13,100. Okay, accrued expenses also given. This is the way. Okay, you want to memorize report, you want to save this report? No, presently I don't want to save this report. Okay, now anything? Okay, let's see. Okay, now right, now let's see. Actually we can also see from here customer centers. Go to the customer center. Here the different types of all the customers has been here. Okay, all the customer information. Okay, this is the information, this is the invoices, and this is the sales order we have made. If you open this sales order here, look, invoice in full, so it's already invoiced, it shows it's already invoiced. Okay, here is the information of the customer X, and this is all invoice and sales order amount information is given here. Okay, okay, this is a transaction. Here we can see estimates, there is no estimate. Sale order, there is only one sale order. And invoice, there is two invoice. Statement charge is not there, sales receipt is not there, receipt payment is not there, credit memos and refund is not there. Okay, so we can can also check from here also.